Chris Magezi has released official statement from the UPDF. The General Court Martial will continue to try anyone who conspires to murder the president, commits armed rebellion against Uganda, and engages in terrorism against the people of Uganda. Under no circumstances will Colonel Kiza Besigye be released under the full extent of martial law. The final decision on this matter will be taken by the CIC and chairman of the High Command, General Yoweri Museveni. So this is it. Chris Magezi, for those who don't know, is the assistant to the CDF, that is Muhoozi, as of the 28th of August 2024. So this is the statement. He is calling it the official statement, and it is a rejection to the ruling by the Supreme Court. As he says, it awaits the CIC and the chairperson, Yoweri Museveni. So it awaits the statement from President Museveni. Wow.